How omega-3s in chia seeds help you lose belly fat. They told you to count calories and do sit-ups to burn belly fat. But what if the real secret is hiding in a seed smaller than your fingernail? And no, it's not some overpriced supplement. It's something sitting on the shelf in your kitchen right now. Chia seeds. Yep, those tiny black seeds. They might be the belly fat game changer you've been missing. Let's break down how the omega-3s inside them can help melt away that midsection. Belly fat isn't just frustrating, it's dangerous. Linked to heart disease, insulin resistance, even early aging. But here's the good news. There's a natural nutrient inside chia seeds that quietly helps your body fight belly fat from the inside. And in this video, we'll show you exactly how it works. If you're new here, welcome to the channel. We're all about simple, natural ways to feel better and live healthier. Go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss what's coming next. And tell us where you're watching from. Just drop your country in the comments. We love seeing how far our wellness family reaches. Belly fat is more than skin deep. It's visceral fat, fat that wraps around your organs. And it doesn't just sit there, it's active. It pumps out hormones that make weight loss harder, not easier. It increases your cravings, spikes your insulin, and slows your metabolism. That's why so many people can't lose it, no matter how much they diet or exercise. But there's something you might not know. Inflammation is at the root of all this. Chronic inflammation keeps your body in fat storage mode. And this is exactly where omega-3s come in. How omega-3s in chia seeds target belly fat. 1. Omega-3s lower inflammation, and that's huge for fat loss. Omega-3s are like peacekeepers for your body. When inflammation goes down, your hormones start working the way they should. Insulin becomes more responsive, stress hormones drop, and your body switches from fat storing to fat burning mode. Think of inflammation like a traffic jam. No matter how hard you try to move, everything's stuck. Omega-3s act like green lights, clearing the way so your metabolism can finally get going, especially around stubborn belly fat. 2. Chia seeds are the richest plant-based source of omega-3s. Most people hear omega-3s and instantly think of fish oil. But here's a surprise. Chia seeds actually have more plant-based omega-3s, called ALA, per gram than salmon. And the best part? They don't smell fishy, they don't spoil fast, and they're super easy to sprinkle into your meals. Now, your body turns ALA, that's alpha-linolenic acid, into two powerful fat-fighting forms of omega-3s, EPA and DHA. Even though that conversion isn't super efficient, eating chia seeds regularly keeps a steady stream of ALA coming in, supporting your body's ability to fight inflammation and burn fat over time. 3. Omega-3s help balance hormones that affect belly fat. When your body is under stress or dealing with inflammation, your cortisol levels increase. Cortisol is a hormone that your body releases in response to stress, and it actually encourages your body to store fat, especially in your belly area. This is one of the reasons why stress can make it harder to lose belly fat. Now, here's where omega-3s come in. Omega-3 fatty acids can help reduce those high cortisol levels. They also help balance leptin, which is your body's hunger hormone. When leptin is balanced, your appetite is controlled, meaning you're less likely to overeat or crave unhealthy foods. Plus, omega-3s support your thyroid function, which is key for keeping your metabolism running smoothly. So, by lowering cortisol and balancing hunger hormones, omega-3s help keep your metabolism active and in check, making it easier for your body to burn fat instead of storing it. 4. Chia seeds keep you full for hours. Here's something you'll love. Chia seeds can absorb up to 12 times their weight in water. When you eat them, they expand and turn into a gel-like texture in your stomach. This helps slow down digestion, keeps your blood sugar steady, and makes you feel full for longer. As a result, you're less likely to snack or overeat later in the day. Here's an easy idea to try. Mix 2 tablespoons of chia seeds into a glass of unsweetened almond milk and let it sit overnight. By morning, you'll have a delicious, fat-burning chia pudding, low in sugar, high in fiber, and packed with omega-3s. It's a perfect, healthy option for breakfast or a satisfying snack any time during the day. 5. Better digestion, less bloating. Flatter stomach. When we talk about bloating, it's often caused by things like poor digestion, water retention, or inflammation in the gut. Many people think it's fat when their stomach feels swollen or puffy, but in reality, it's usually just a temporary issue that can be fixed by improving digestion and reducing inflammation. Chia seeds are rich in fiber, which helps keep your digestive system running smoothly. When digestion improves, your body can better process food and eliminate waste, which helps reduce bloating. And when inflammation goes down, your body doesn't hold on to extra water or waste, so your stomach naturally appears flatter. So, even if you haven't lost weight yet, improving your digestion with chia seeds can make your belly look less bloated, giving you that flatter stomach feel right away. It's not just about fat loss, it's about feeling lighter and healthier too. The missing link in your belly fat struggle. So, let's be honest, you've probably tried it all. Low-carb diets, high-protein meals, intense workouts, fat burners, and that stubborn belly fat still won't budge. But here's the thing. Maybe it's not about your willpower. It could be your body's biology holding you back. Inflammation and hormone imbalances are often the hidden culprits that stop you from losing fat. But here's the good news. You can fight back naturally. And guess what? You don't need another fat-burning pill or detox tea. Your body already knows how to burn fat. It just needs the right support. That support could be something as simple as a spoonful of chia seeds. Next time you spot that bag of chia seeds in your pantry, don't overlook it. These tiny seeds pack a punch of nutrients your body needs to not just get by, but to truly thrive. Omega-3s, fiber, and protein, all working together to reduce inflammation, balance your hormones, and help you finally tackle that stubborn belly fat the smart way. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more natural wellness tips. Got a chia seed recipe that's been a game changer for you? Drop it in the comments below. And if you're just beginning your fat loss journey, be sure to check out our video on what happens when you mix chia seeds with lemon juice for 1 week. Remember, your health is your power. Own it.